4 times in the top 5 at Beaver Creek, a second, a third, a fourth, a fourth. He needs to get on the top podium. Bronze medalist in the World Championship, Olympic gold medalist from 2006, and 2-time and reigning Giant Slalom World Cup overall champion from Park City, Utah, Ted. There it comes. There it is. Hey, young lady Quinn, you gotta go get that bid for Ted. So Ted, second. You don't want to tire Ted out though, Quinn. Yeah, take all the beaters too. A second, a third, a fourth, a fourth. The only thing missing is a podium. Seems like you like this hill. What is it about this hill you like?
I just like racing in the United States. It's nice to be kind of in a homish area and taking all those Euros out of their element a little bit. So that's always nice. And obviously the crew here does an awesome job on the hill as well. So the snow is always pretty perfect. So all those combinated together works out pretty well for me, I guess.
So today, you went out, but you were rocking on top. Can you take some of that confidence into tomorrow and rock it even harder?
Yeah, I'm just going to try to forget about it today. I mean, that was kind of a bummer for sure, but tomorrow's another day. I mean, GS is my best event, so things should go well.
All right, number 1.